Hello everybody. Now let us start the second chapter of the science, that is matter around us pure? Very interesting chapter. Many activities means experiments are there. So please be ready for new chapter. See, you have learned about the first chapter, matter around us. You know what do you mean by matter? Okay, matter means the small particles. And with the help of these small particles, the compound or substance is formed, that is called matter. Now, surrounding us, many matter and compounds are there. So, out of all this, compounds and substances are pure or not? How we know that? Okay, how you can say that the substance surrounding us are pure? Here, surrounding us means not at your home, but special substance are given here in your textbook. Now see, first, substance means pure substance. What do you mean by pure substance? Pure substance or pure matter, that means what? Element, as for example, hydrogen, carbon, helium, chlorine, nitrogen, potassium, etc. These elements are always pure elements. Now, matter, you know that made up of different elements, but the substance, pure substance is also pure. Means substance may be pure. Sometimes we add something else in it and it may be impure, but generally we say that substance are pure if it is not altered, if it is not mixed with other, then it is called pure. As for example, once you say that water, you drink pure water, mineral water at your home, okay? Maybe at your home you use RO or aquaguard, means mineral or pure water we drink. But purity of water, it depends on what? Different material which is added to it. If materials are important for our body, if materials are necessary for our body, then we say that it is pure. If adulterated substance are added into water, suppose some particles of dust or sand is there, then we say that it is not pure, it is impure water, because adulterated substance are there which is not necessary for our body or which is harmful to our body, and that's why we say that it is impure. So we can say that the matter around us is pure only when it is in the form of element or it is in the form of matter. Means elements and substance are pure. We can say that here, elements and substance are always pure. What do you mean by pure substance? Elements and substance are pure. Pure means not adulterated, okay? And it may be sometimes helpful to the human nature, humankind, and that's why we say it is pure substance, okay? Now, in your textbook, have you textbook page number here that I have, page number 14. It is given that for a common person, pure means having no adulteration. But for scientists, all these things are actually mixture of different substance and hence it is not pure. As you say that water means not H2O for us. But for scientists, water is only H2O. Because our body needs, along with water, some other minerals also. Okay? So, for scientists, it is called impure substance, and for us, it is called pure because it is helpful to human body. So, our definition and scientific definitions are different. You have to write only scientific definition. So, don't say that water is impure. Is it okay? Scientifically, water means H2O and H2O means pure water. Here we said about pure water, not drinkable, not potable water. It is distilled water that is called pure water made up of H2O. So pure water, as for example, you said that pure water means what? H2O. No other minerals are there which are necessary for human body. This is not there. That means here water means hydrogen and oxygen, means hydrogen ion. Once I said H plus means ion, oxygen minus 2 means 2 is the valency of oxygen, that you will learn later. Okay, means oxygen has tendency to lose 2 electron and hydrogen has tendency to gain 1 electron. That's why it is written in the ionic form like this. So pure hydrogen and oxygen is there. No other adulteration is there. That's why we said that H2O is pure water. Okay. Now if you add minerals in it, then it is called impure. Is it okay? Now as for example, milk. Milk is what? Milk is actually milk ingredient plus water, means it is a mixture. So mainly surrounding us, not pure substance are very less, whereas impure, in scientific language impure, in our language it is pure, substances are there. So we said that what? We should learn first mixture. So in your textbook, the topics start here with mixture. H2O is also called mixture. Milk is also called mixture because many compounds are there. Not only hydrogen, oxygen, this element, not only water means H2O, but other minerals are also there. So it is called mixture. So scientists divide the mixture into 2 types. First, homogeneous mixture and second, heterogeneous mixture. So 2 types of mixtures are there. 2 types of mixtures. First is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous, the meaning of homogeneous means uniform mixture, whereas heterogeneous means non-uniform. Homogeneous, it means uniform, and heterogeneous, it means non-uniform. Okay? If homogeneous is uniform, what do you mean by uniform way? Uniform is what? So uniform means in every direction, in all direction, the solute particles are completely mixed with it. That is called homogeneous mixture. Whereas heterogeneous means it is a mixture, but all particles or elements added to this mixture is not uniform. They are not found in uniform manner, they are found in non-uniform manner. Means sometimes you can see the ingredient, you can see the solute particle, you can see the particle or element in the heterogeneous mixture. Is it okay? So, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, you can say that the constituents of the particle cannot be seen easily. In the homogeneous, constituents of the particle of the mixture particularly cannot be seen. We cannot see the constituents, means ingredients of this mixture with our naked eye. Then it is called homogeneous mixture. Now here in heterogeneous constituents of the mixture, can be seen. We can see the particles, we can see the constituents of the mixture inside it. Okay, that's why we say the diameter of the constituents, diameter of the particles or diameter of the elements in the mixture are very less, whereas here the diameter of the particles of mixture in heterogeneous is more, means high level. So you can see this constituents. Okay, now secondly, if mixture or constituents are not visible, then you can say that there are no visible boundaries. Boundaries surrounding way, boundaries are not visible. Boundaries are not visible. That means you cannot think that mixture or homogeneous mixture is spreaded up to how much area. Here boundaries are visible. Boundaries are visible. Okay? Here constituents are totally mixed, which we cannot see. It means what? If you want to separate the constituents, then it is not easy. Separation of constituent is not easy. Here separation of constituent is easy because we can see the constituent easily. Separation of constituents is easy. And lastly, you can write as for example, salt solution of water. Salt solution of water means a pinch of salt if you add it into the water, then we cannot see the particles, means salt particles into the water. We cannot judge that it contains water, means it contains salt or not in the water. Okay, so salt solution of water is called homogeneous mixture because salt particles mix in the water in every direction, in all direction. Okay, so it is known as homogeneous or uniform mixture. In heterogeneous, as for example, we can say that sand particles in water. In water, if you add a pinch of sand, slightly sand, then you can see this particles, constituents in this mixture. Mixture is formed, but you can see the sand particle easily, and that's why it is called non-uniform, and diameter of the constituents particle is more. We can say that it is heterogeneous mixture. Is it okay about homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? After that, solution. Okay, write down this. After that, we will start solution.